Do you want a great credit score to start a business, buy a vehicle, or buy a house? And if you decide to start that business, do you need to know where and how to get easy to qualify for startup funding? And if you need to buy a vehicle, do you know there are bank sources that will finance you regardless of your current credit situation? And when you buy that house, would you like to have mortgage protection, which would pay off your home in case something happens to you? And the option of getting all your payments returned to you after your policy expires? Well, Super Sport Financial Solutions can assist you in all those needs and fast. With over 40 years of combined experience, the bonded and licensed experts and affiliates at Super Sport Financial Solutions specialize in 1. Rapid credit repair. We remove negative items within 30 to 90 days without the drawn-out process like other companies. Along with helping with debt collector issues, help with rebuilding credit scores and positive credit accounts, and provide personal credit consultation and education. 2. We also help in matching you with the best business funding and lines of credit options for your startup business, even before your first dollar is made. We assist in getting your business incorporated and all the other steps in getting business funding and lines of credit. We are also partnered with multiple auto loan companies that will finance you regardless of credit. In fact, one of our banks that will report to all 3 major credit reporting agencies will finance you even with multiple repos, foreclosures, bankruptcies, or even with a suspended driver's license. 4. And finally, we are partnered with A-Rate insurance carriers, which gives us the ability to shop around and find the best coverage to protect your assets and family if you were to die or get terminally ill. We also specialize in the new life insurance option, which returns the money you paid for the coverage if it's never used when the policy expires. So contact us so we can help you in these major financial areas. Super Sport Financial Solutions is your starting point in changing your credit, your career, and your peace of mind, which leads to a happier life and lifestyle. And without happiness, what else is there?